Okay, this is a Bitcoin miner that I'm putting together. I believe it mines it has an attempt every 10 minutes. This is the screen, but I gotta put it all together. Just assemble the cover for it, and gotta put a SIM card in here and connect a few things. But yeah, it's got all the instructions and everything, a bunch of options that I can do, like put it in a box, make it look like a little computer, and how to set it up and everything. And then you can set it up on the computer. I'm gonna set it up on my phone, but I like that case there, it's kind of neat. But this is the one I'm just gonna leave it in right now, the one that came with it. And but anyway, that's what I'm working on right now. It's called a Bitcoin miner. It's kind of like a lottery thing. Every 10 minutes you get another attempt to I forget what it's called, but it's basically some mathematical equation that it does.
This is KA0EJQ repeater.
I gotta put a SIM card in there. I gotta scan that. Okay, so now it's working, but I still gotta set it all up. I don't know what it's doing. I know that I got the time set up and everything, so I gotta learn what I'm looking at here. But I had to use my phone to set it up. You don't have to use your phone, but I wanted to use my phone. But right now it's just got a power wire in. I powered it up. It's connected to my Wi-Fi network and everything. There's only one worker, which is this thing. You can connect more to it. I believe that's what. Okay, so in your Wi-Fi, this wire actually is for computer. Type in, but so far the instructions don't really give you much information. So pretty much used it for the setup, but for the most part, the setup and the instructions to put it together were pretty self-explanatory.
Here because I have to
As
make
far
myself
as
a wallet in case it hits.
as far as the instructions on, you know, the SIM card and all that stuff, there's no instructions on that yet. When I went online, I had to stop the video to go through this, and this is all on the iPhone, and it creates its own Wi-Fi hotspot. You connect it to the iPhone and just go from there, and then you introduce it to your Wi-Fi at your home, and that's how I got here. So now I gotta jack around with it and figure out what I'm doing. Okay, I just made a couple little changes to it. It pretty much has what looks like the iPhone's screen here when it comes to setting it up. This is pretty much what I saw on the iPhone when I was doing it. So this is the pool, primary pool. My assumption is this is where the money's gonna go, if you hit one, of course. Regional settings, time zone -6 from the UTC, time format, I got it on just 12-hour, month, date, years, the format, display system. This is the UI refresh. And there it is. It's recommended to put it on 2. Screen timeout, I don't want it to time out at all. Brightness, I want it as bright as possible. Save history, yes. LED enable, that flashing LED behind it. Got the SIM card in. Want that on, of course. It adds to the cool factor. Rotate the screen. You can rotate the screen to where it'll sit like this, or just on the side. I'm gonna make a little mount and put it right here, probably.
Primary pool settings. This is the
little
pool
power supply here.
And then wallet address. That's your wallet that you go out. You can go out on the App Store.
Anyway, so
wallet.
yeah, that's the
Put your information
LED
in there.
enable, rotate
This is
screen,
public
that's the auto
information.
brightness,
Not
no.
public, but if
That
you're
just
sending that Bitcoin, this is
brightens up.
how you do it. You send it to my wallet.
Whenever
like
the
this.
light's low,
You can take that down if you want. But
whatever.
anyway,
So then you hit save.
So yeah,
As soon as you
after
hit
you get all that
save,
information in there, then
configuration sent successfully,
you want to restart it.
and it's going to reboot. It should.
Yep.
And you see it's connected to my Wi-Fi there.
So
None
now,
of beeswax.
if it gets a Bitcoin, it's going to go right in my wallet. I have it right in my phone.
And
Sweet.
IP address, time zones. We're putting all the information in.